stay close.
That kind of love different.
Hold me slow tonight.
Let the world fade out of sight.
No pressure,
No disguise.
just your soul
Next to mine.
hold me close tonight.
Everything gon' be alright.
No games,
No alibis.
just your heart
Touching mine.
Soft wind blowing through the window pane. Your energy alone calm my brain. After all the storms and all the rain, you bring peace me can't explain. No loud talking, no need for front. Real connection stronger than lust. World too fake, so me move with trust. And your touch make the
Pressure adjust. Candles low and the music play. Late night roots set the mood our way. No outside noise can pull we away.
when me with you, everything okay. I mean, no real love take time to build. Not every wound easy to heal.
But your presence make the darkness still. Like Jah himself, I prove the feeling real.
Hold me slow tonight.
Let the world fade out the sight.
No pressure,
No disguise.
just your soul.
Next to mine.
Hold me close tonight.
Everything gon' be alright.
No games,
No alibis.
just your heart.
Touching mine.
You don't force love, you let it breathe. That's the kind of vibe me need. No fake promises for deceit. Just honesty between we.
Me used to hide behind my pride. Carry too much weight inside. But your softness break the tide. Now me finally feel alive.
Slow dancing under golden light. Your silhouette against the night.
No need for rush. What feels so right?
Some souls just naturally align. And if tomorrow bring
Hard times again.
me still remember this.
Moment then.
Cause real love
Stronger than pain.
and your spirit wash away.
The strain.
Closer now,
No fear between us.
no
Walls tonight.
just warm.
Just breathing. And if the world get cold outside,
Stay right here by my side.
cause peace